Pasinogna. You know, I believe this may have been like I don't know, burial ground or something covered up when the settlers came out here and took over the hills, you feel me? But it's so many giant granite stones. All right, they're all just like piled up on each other at the bottom of a hill. I don't know if y'all could see this. They're just piled up on the bottom of a hill, all these rare stones. And these trees and animals all around. Y'all see this tree? It almost looks like an olive tree, but I'm not seeing olives. There's like little, I don't know if y'all could see this branch coming up. See, like an herb coming out. Lots of rocks, though, in this rock pile of sparkly granite, you know, sparkling in the sunshine. And we even got some clay underneath. I don't know if y'all could see that, the clay. Yeah, we're in a rare location right now. Just charging up that natural energy. Probably gonna read for a bit here. Been reading The Road to Ixtlan, like Ixtlan. It's the third book in the series of the Don Juan books, talking about like the desert Indian traditions, using peyote and datura, various herbs to be able to see or open up the door to seeing, and then learning how to hunt, you know, spiritual animals, powers in nature, stand ready, you know, not trying to share too much. These are really private sessions between me and PsiloSage, but thought I'd take y'all while we explore a little bit. I think I might go down a little bit further into the rocks, see what I find. I don't know if anyone really even comes past here. Like I said, we're right down in here, like over here, and crawl through the brush. So I'll show y'all what it is, what it be. We are currently big stepping. You feel me? Big stepping on the ground. Exploring, seeing what it be down here. It's so many rocks, you feel me? They're really just like shining in the sunshine. I don't know if y'all can see the little crystals up in these granite boulders. Not really sure why these are all in the hills. Look at that. Just a big pile of granite. Like, come on now. Either someone broke a they were carried here by water, but like we're up at the very top of the hills. Like, where did the stones come